Hi people, today I just want to show you these. This is my ZX Spectrum collection so far. I love that BMX simulator one. That was brilliant. There's all my Dizzies. That's what got me into gaming in the first place, Dizzy. And I played the Formula Ones on here. There's Hungry Horace. Yeah, Man Trap was good. Ninja Master was good. Snake Pit was alright. Space Raiders was good. Some of the Sinks I liked. Winged Warlords was really good. I never played Yogi Bear. There's a Dizzy Excellent Adventures box set. Paperboy. Who can forget Paperboy? Pub Games. Summer Gold. Now that, I loved playing Street Hawk and Frankie Goes to Hollywood. Absolutely loved it. Enjoyed the golf. Untouchables was alright, I suppose. Nigel Mansell's brilliant game. Ace was alright as well. Batman. Yep. And there you have it. So far. Thanks for watching. Later.